Hello, queens and kings. Welcome back, you all. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video as well. As you all can see, this is my pre-fall setup. And I told you all I was going to be doing some adding in, to the pre-fall to fully make it fall. And that's basically what we're doing today. But now over here on the console table, all I'm doing is removing all the items so I can wipe it down, give it a fresh feel and everything. And we're going to decorate this area, well, should I say redecorate or whatever, as well as add in our fall decor. So I hope you queens and king enjoyed this content well enough that you all actually share the video and subscribe if you are new, just stopping by. Queen or king, hello, welcome. I am Valerie, and I appreciate you so much for just clicking on the video. So if you do consider to be a part of the channel, please hit the notification bell that says all, so therefore you'll be notified each and every time that I do upload. So with that being said, you all, thank you once again, and you queens and kings continue to what? Be royal. All right, Queens and Kings. So here is the completed look of my fall decoration in my queen lounge. Now, I truly love how it all came out. I was going for a more of a neutral glam, if you guys did not get the memo. And I think I really did pull it off with all the color shades that I have, as in the charcoal gray, the silver, the creams and golds and whites. And I truly love how everything actually did turn out, like I said before. But a lot of these items are old items I have for years now, but I'm pretty sure they are in the store because I have seen a couple of these items already in the same stores that I purchased them from. But if you have any question about any item, please just leave it down in the comment section, so therefore I could reply to your question and give you that lovely answer. But I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed this decoration video with me. And if you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because there are plenty more coming. I got to do the living room. I have to do the tree. And I'm going to do a combination of the dining room and the kitchen and the bar cart together. So if you all enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you Queens and Kings in the next video. And you guys continue to be royal.